Number 1. Work hard, save money, and you will become rich. Do you still believe this? I am sorry, but that belief is making you poor. The virtue of saving is actually one of capitalism's biggest lies. Today, I will reveal how your money is silently disappearing inside the bank. If you don't watch this to the end, you might be losing 10% of your salary every year without knowing it. You know, inflation, but do you know what it does to your account? Compare a burger from 10 years ago to now. It used to be $5, now it's $12. The burger didn't get bigger. Your money just lost half its value. Banks give you 2% interest, but inflation eats away 5%. Putting money in the bank isn't saving, it is slowly burning it away. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, said, "Savers are losers." Why? Because governments print massive amounts of money. Whenever the economy struggles, when money becomes common, its value drops to trash. You work hard for $1,000, while the government prints $1 trillion with a button. In this game, holding cash guarantees a loss. That is the cruel rule of capitalism. So, what do the rich do? They never keep cash. As soon as they get paid, they convert it into real assets, gold, real estate, stocks, or Bitcoin. They exchange paper money for things that hold value over time. They know the truth: cash is trash. The rich don't collect money, they collect assets. You might ask, but I don't have money to invest. That thought, investing is only for the rich, keeps you poor. Assets aren't just buildings, one stock for the price of coffee, a monthly ETF, or a book. These are assets. It is not about the amount, but the habit of turning cash into assets. Start with just $100. The magic of compound interest will start working. It looks small now, but over time, assets fight inflation and multiply. On the other hand, that $100 in the bank might not even buy a pack of gum in 10 years. Will you collect paper that becomes trash, or raise a goose that lays golden eggs? Here is your action plan. First, check your cash. If all your money is sleeping as cash except emergency funds, it is an emergency. Second, use 20% of your salary to buy assets no matter what. S&P 500, gold, just start. Third, study money. Financial illiteracy is a disease. If you don't know the rules, you will live as a slave to money. Holding only cash is like sailing a boat with a hole. Plug that hole and switch to the sturdy boat of assets. Don't be fooled by the bank's lies. Only your financial knowledge protects your wealth. If this video woke you up, please subscribe and like. Next time, I will reveal the realistic asset strategy, starting with $1,000. Thank you.